In this work, we introduce a reinforcement learning framework to efficiently plan the assembly process for constructing structures made of rigid parts. Traditionally, constructing such structures requires dense scaffolding to ensure stability during intermediate assembly steps. By using multiple robots to assemble and temporarily hold the parts, our approach eliminates the need for scaffolding, reducing both construction time and labor requirements. Let us consider an abstract assembly sequence planning problem where the boundary parts are highlighted in a dark color. The part shown in gray represents the first component to be installed and held by a robot. For simplicity, all robots are assumed to be identical. When two robots are used to hold the parts, one robot must release its currently held part before it can install a new one. The objective is to determine an assembly sequence that ensures all parts are installed while maintaining structural stability at every intermediate assembly step. However, unexpected changes can disrupt the pre-computed plan. For instance, the bottom three parts might become unavailable due to a delivery delay. In such a scenario, we must recompute a new assembly plan that ends at this intermediate assembly state, where one robot is supporting the structure. We can adopt an assembly by disassembly approach, where a feasible disassembly plan is computed first. By reversing this disassembly plan, we can generate a feasible assembly plan, which can then be executed using the same dual robot assembly system. Due to the absence of the bottom three parts, the robots follow a significantly different assembly plan compared to the original pre-computed plan. Computing a disassembly plan that terminates at a specific intermediate assembly step is typically a computationally intensive offline process, which can inevitably cause project delays. Additionally, in practice, changes are unpredictable, and the assembly process could end at any possible intermediate state. Enumerating and pre-computing all possible assembly plans is infeasible due to the enormous size of the solution space. Therefore, in this work, we propose to train a disassembly policy, represented by a neural network using reinforcement learning. Given any intermediate assembly state, our pre-trained policy outputs the probability of the next disassembly action, prioritizing those with a high likelihood of success. When a part is not held by a robot, its probability indicates the likelihood of a robot holding this part in the next step, as demonstrated here. When a part is currently held by a robot, its probability indicates the likelihood of the robot removing this part in the next step. Sampling the next disassembly action using our pre-trained disassembly policy enables us to efficiently plan the disassembly process starting from any intermediate assembly state. Training an effective disassembly policy is technically challenging. To address this, we made the following three contributions to facilitate efficient training. First, we developed a GPU-accelerated physics simulator designed to solve structural stability problems in parallel. This simulator verifies the structural stability of intermediate assembly states, which are extensively utilized during the training of our disassembly policy. Most notably, it enables processing batches of stability problems simultaneously on GPUs, achieving up to 100 times the speed of CPU-based solvers like Gurobi. Second, we developed a novel training scheme to tackle the sparse reward issue in the training process, inspired by the curriculum learning approach. In this work, the reinforcement learning agent receives rewards only at the end of each disassembly episode, leading to extremely sparse rewards. Training agents to disassemble from the complete structure is particularly difficult due to the complexity of identifying a valid disassembly plan. To overcome this, we propose initializing the agent with disassembly tasks that start from intermediate assembly states. By gradually increasing the difficulty of these tasks, our novel training scheme enables the agent to gain positive rewards and avoids convergence to local minima. Lastly, training our disassembly policy requires an effective neural network architecture to predict the probabilities of disassembly actions. To address this, we propose using a graph attention network to encode the assembly state and geometry into a physics-inspired force-torque graph. This graph-based policy is designed to be both permutation invariant and translationally invariant. For more details, please refer to the paper. Here we present the results of the trained policy applied to various structures. Thank you all for your time and attention.